Yeah. You try to open the document, know it, and going to enter into WhatsApp. And there's quick response within that, yeah. Tell me which folder we need to open. We are in the we are in the Helm built-in objects, right? I hope we completed three objects. Are you agree with me? Three objects we finished, remaining three are pending. Am I correct? See, release is over, chart is over, values is over. We want to work with capabilities, template, and files. Shall we go for that? There, Windows KR, CMD, where kubectl get nodes. Yes, cluster is working. Helm is also working. Helm is also working. I hope last class we worked with the DevOps or Madhu. I think Madhu, right? CD, MADH, Madhu. There CLS, there tree slash here, there within notes.txt. Am I right? CD, templates, notepad, notes.txt. There I use these three things. One is the release related properties, chart related properties, values related properties. Now we are going to work with capabilities, template, and file concept. Shall we move on to capabilities? There I am going to
Okay.
capabilities. I hope release properties over and the chart is also no. Try run. These are the capabilities related things. Shift down arrow, down arrow. I hope up to this is correct. Capabilities control C. Where should I add? You know it, right? There within the notepad. Within the notepad, there I am going to add. I said somewhere, try to understand capabilities means only version related information. Which version related? Maybe Helm related, maybe Kubernetes related. Only those two things. One is the Helm related capabilities, that means major version, minor version. If possible, you need to go and extract patch version. That's it. Capabilities dot cube version dot major, capabilities dot cube version dot minor, capabilities dot cube version, capabilities dot cube version dot version, and also Helm version, and also Helm version dot version. I said right. Again, version is there means we are going to understand their patch version. Now quickly we are going to save it. Now guide me how can I access this capabilities information? Anyone can guide me if you know it. Anyone can guide me what to do. Yeah, good evening, ma. Just I need to access what is that capabilities information. Ramya, tell me how can I access capabilities information? I don't know. Just you only tell me. There you want to understand Helm LS. Even I am giving clue for you. There we created multiple versions also, and also multiple releases. These are the multiple releases and multiple revisions. And now quick guidance. Helm, either you may use upgrade or you may use install. Are you agree with me? Sir, I'm asking a quick question. What is the difference between Helm install and Helm upgrade? Just anyone? What is the difference between Helm install and Helm upgrade? A small variance is there or both are same?
So variants, upgrade and upgrade means the changes which is done by us.
After installation, we are going to change little things, one or two properties. Then only we can go for upgrade. Got it or
Upgrade.
not?
Yes.
See, very first time can I go for upgrade? It won't accept now. It won't accept. Very first time you need to install only. Then only you can go for upgrade. Suppose 10 times if I install 10 different release names, we may get it. But 10 times, 9 times I'm upgrade, only one time I'm installing, there what I may get? Only one release, multiple revisions you may get it. Multiple revisions you may get it. I hope you got the clarity. Yes or no? One release name, multiple revisions. Then you can go for upgrade. Then you can go for upgrades. See, same thing I am taking. See, M5 assume their helm, upgrade, their M-5. Now what to do? Quick guidance. I think that belongs to some other namespace, right? What is the namespace name? What is it is available in default only. It is available in default only. And now what to do? M upgrade M5. Shall I give dot only? Shall I give dot only? Because of I did little modification, right? What I did little modification in notes.txt. I added which information? Ma? Anyone respond? Just now I added some information. One object related activities. What is that object name? Capabilities. What is that object name? Capabilities. What it will provide capabilities? Object, major version, minor version. Shall I go for this? Yes. Now anything going wrong? I given two times Helm, right? Helm, upgrade, Helm upgrade. Even I need to go for one step back, right? CD dot dot. Now Helm, upgrade, upgrade, M hyphen 5 dot. Now anything going wrong? Helm revision, Helm version. See, am I getting capabilities or not? See, major version, minor version. See, 1.29 set. This is the patch version. Ma. See, one is the major, 29 is the minor. What is this two? This two represents patch version. This two represents patch version. If you want to get like that, we can go with the capabilities. If it is clear for you, we may go for next object. What is the object name? Maybe template. Maybe template. If any doubt is there, ask me, or else we may go for template. See, template object. You want to get a template name? Yes, we can get it. You want to get a template base path. What is the template base path? What is the chart? In that chart, what is the template folder? In that, maybe something is there. It may show you. It may show you. I'm going to copy and paste it. You know the what it represents. Anyone can guide me. What it this line represents? What? Quick guidance. What it represents? Slash star slash. If you know C programming language, if you know C++
Comment.
programming, this is nothing but comment. Compiler should not take care of it. It won't print on the screen. Even it won't print. Our Helm software cannot recognize this line only for our understanding purpose. Those who read this code, those who observe this code, they can understand, oh, this belongs to template object, these two lines belongs to template object. Madhuvani, where can I update this line, these three lines? Tell me. I am copying. Where can I update? Now guide me. I want to go to here. Shall I go directly and open what is that? Notes.txt. That's it. 3 slash f. Where is that notes.txt? Notes.txt is available within templates, right? CD templates. Now notepad, notes.txt. Within that, I'm going to add control V. See template name and template path. I want it. Now save it and click. I want to update. I want to upgrade. Now guide me. CLS, same thing. I am going to get it in previous. See, same thing. See, this notes.txt is available within templates folder. Templates is the folder which is available in Madhu chart. See, the base path is Madhu slash templates. Base means my parent. This is I am notes.txt. My parent is template. Those parent is Madhu. Like that, we can get it. This is the path. This is the path. Now I think only one is pending. That is the file object. That is the file object. Now I'm going to documentation. There see file related object capabilities. Now see file object. See put the below in notes.txt and test it. What they're expecting. What they're expecting. File get. See dot files dot get dot my config one dot toml. See, anyone can guess it. TOML stands for HTML. HTML hypertext markup language. XML extensible markup language. See, TOML template. T represents what? Template object model language. Template object model language. Is it clear for you? But if I write these lines in my code, I may not get any output. We may check it first. I may not get proper output. Why I may not get? I may show you practically, then you can get the clarity. See, Control C, there we may try, Notepad, where should I add my CD template? Now Notepad, notes, notes, got it. Now there I'm adding at the end. There I'm adding at the end. Okay, this is good. But my question is dot files dot get my config one dot toml. Such file got exist or not? First you need to tell me. My config one dot toml is there or not? If it is there, no problem. My config one dot toml. Where is that? Save it. Now check it and tell me. First I go for 3 slash f. Here. My config.tym. Is there any such file is there? Quick observation. My config.tym.
No.
No. At least we may go for one step back. cd dot dot. Again 3 slash f. Where is that my config.tyml? I think no, right?
No.
No. I hope where should I add? I think TOML, right? TOML stands for template related, right? Template means where should I add my within the templates. This is my analysis only. Whether it is where it is there, we may check it, but I may try to add within the templates first. Now CD templates, CD templates. What was the name they given? I hope. What was the name they told me? My config wanted. Even I may
My
copy.
conflict.
Yeah, I'm copying this file mark. You know how to create this file? My mother one you guide me. I want to create one file here. How can I create? I think someone is trying to join. Anyone? No? Good. Please guide me. I want to create a file. I want to add something here. How can I? Anyone? Touch will work here or not, ma? Touch will work or not? Hello? Can I use touch command? It may? No. Why? Why no? At least this is purely Windows, right? In Windows, touch won't
Windows
work. Touch won't work. Any command, any other command for work with Windows?
sudo view
Sudo VA, it will work, ma? Who told sudo VA? Sudo VA also, it won't work. That is also belongs to Linux. That command also belongs to Linux. Any other? Notepad is good, right? Notepad will work. Type will work. Notepad, notepad, control. Got it? Notepad, my config one.toml. Within this, okay, I am going to write welcome to my config.toml. There I am writing like this. Now close this, save this, try to apply. How to apply? cd dot dot cls up arrow. Now I'm not wrong. It may work. Now check it. What happening? Helm upgrade. YML parse error. Mother template. My config one.yml error. Okay. And marshalling. Okay. JSON. While uh, decoding JSON cannot unmarshal storing okay string into go value of type release results simple head. Okay, same file I am going to add in maybe TOML correct only, right? TOML correct only. But what it is feeling is this is a small drawback, ma. It internally it may consider check it tree slash f what happened. The problem sometimes where is the file name? My config one.tom. File name is correct only, right? There is no extension for .txt, I think. If it is really extension .txt is there, it may show, right? It may show. It won't take .txt. It is considering okay. Now what to do? cd 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 templates. Now what I am going to do? mv move mv move mv move. What I want to move now? What is that? There my config dot pym. Where I want to move? Where I want to move? Within within this area. Copy this. We may check it. Copy it and paste it. MV is not recognized. Okay, no problem. MOV is there. MOV move. Yes, one file is moved. I may check it once again. Even that too not working. I may go and apply different strategy. Now it is worked, ma. Now it is worked. The file get welcome to my config. I hope I said right. What I stored in my config.toml. I hope everybody know. What is the message? Please observe. Type my config.toml. Same message was there or not? Welcome to my config.toml. Same similarly, see file global as config, file globe as secret. I didn't store anything. That's why I didn't get. I didn't store anything. That's why I didn't get. If you store something, you may get that message. You may get message. I hope you got little clarity. Now, based on this, where will you add my re slash f? You don't add that Tom related information within the template. You need to add outside of the template within the chart only. Within the chart or outside of templates folder. Is it clear for you? I hope we completed
Yes.
all the. Anyone can tell me all the six objects name quickly without referencing any document. What is the first object? At least tell me. Values. Values. What is the second object? Chart. What is the third object? Whatever you know, try to respond. Maybe order is not important. We require all the six names. Six names. Values, thought, chart. Next. Hmm. Template, template, capabilities,
File.
capabilities, BALITIES, capabilities. And file, any values is okay, chart is okay, template is okay, capability is okay, file is okay. One is missing, man. Just guess it and tell me what is that one. Any other? What is missed one? What is missed one? Chart okay. Release, I think release is missed, right? Release. RELES. Values, chart, template, capabilities, file, and release related information. Release. Is it clear for you? If it is clear, we will move on to one more documentation. One more. See, file global as config. Some information they store. Some information they store. That information we are getting. This is in binary form. This is in binary form. That's all. Now close this. Going to now one step back. I think 11th is clear. Helm dev basics. Helm development basics. Now read me dot. See, this is one of the very, very, very important thing. Really, if you want to work with Helm developer, Helm developer. If you want to work with Helm applications, this topic is not required. But when this is very, very important, see, whatever the thing you want to write, your own output, your own actions, you need to go with. I said, right? That is the templating language. Any Helm template is represented with double open curly brace, double closing curly brace. Maybe variables, maybe functions, maybe actions, whatever you want it. See, action elements. What does it mean? Maybe dot release dot name, dot chart dot name. Got it or not? Dot template dot something, dot capability dot something. All the six objects information you need to write it within double curly brace. See, this is backtick. What does it mean? This is the backtick, not single quotation. This is the backtick. See, quote function. Quote function. Either single quote or double quote. Single quote, double quote. Now, pipeline. See, when do we go for pipeline? One command output you need to provide as input to some other command, we can go for pipeline. See, default function. If you want to apply something as a default, then you go for default function. Then you go for default function. See, by default things, if you want to write it, you can go for the default function. Now, Lower, whatever you want to write it in lower case, you need to use lower function. See, controlling white spaces. Controlling white spaces. You know the word leading. Leading means at the beginning. Okay. And tailing, and at the end. Even sometimes may call trail. Leading spaces, leading white spaces, and trailing white space. Leading means at the beginning, any spaces if you want to remove, at that time you can go with. Now, indent function. This is one of the powerful. See, generally at the time of writing declarative language. See, I'm going to open notepad. See, try to understand. Or else I may go open VS Code. VS Code. See, after opening VS Code, just I am going to create new file. New file. The file name is aa.yml. aa.yml. Here, generally, maybe desktop, I may create it. I may create. Generally, P represents part, right? Space P. Maybe intelligence. Am I getting? I may get intelligence. P. POD. Not getting. POD. Learning path. YML file. YML file. Service. There, now you go for pod. It may take little bit time. Generally, if I select this, see some indentation happen or not? Some indentation. This is nothing but indent. How many spaces you want to specify? It is two. After metadata, for this, I need to. For this, I need. See, after labels, I need how many spaces? Anyone can guess it? Here already two is there. Again, how many spaces? See, now count it. Dots here. Very easy to identify. If you want to provide these gaps by using indent, this is the indentation. In the same way, next function name is n indent. N means in the next line. In the next line. Once it is okay, over. How to do? How many spaces you want? No spaces here. See, no need any space. After spec, how many spaces you require? Two only. Two only. Like that, if you want to configure it, you can go with one is the indent, second one is the n indent. One is the indent, second one is the n indent. See, n indent function. Indent is one function, and n indent is another function. This is also one of the powerful 2ML. See, for line by line, if you want to represent indent and end indent, multiple lines of code, you want to block of code, you want to specify 2ML is one of the power. One of the. Why they took 2ML? I may show you little clarity. See, this is one block. This is one block. This total block I want to specify here up to 1, 2, 3, 4 lines assume. At that time, which is very, very useful. Yeah, what is that? The 2ML function is very useful. That one block of code as it is, you want to paste it somewhere with some gaps, with some what about spaces, some spaces. At that time, you go for 2ML function. 2ML function. See, even though if you listen, you may not understand. For each one, we may take little example, then you will get the clarity. For that, I'm going to I'm going to take Windows key, there observe, their backup files, development file, their Helm basics. I may go with backup files, there I may go with final deployment file. We may take any one folder. Their char deployment values. So, okay, no problem. One step back, final deployment file. There I may take this, their CMD, their CMD. There what they're expecting final deployment file, right? There I may go for what is that? dir or tree/f. Tree/f. Oh, so many things are there. What is my intention? There are multiple things are there. Control C. I don't want. There I given CMD, right? Within the backup file, there only I want to enter. There only I want to enter. This is my intention. Yeah. Here I want to enter. Now I go for CMD. Now I go for CM. Now tree slash F. Oh, again we are getting multiple things. I heard this is not my requirement. Why this many? My intention is I want to enter into this folder. Backup files within the final deployment file. Final deployment file. Generally we may use CMD only, right? Anything going wrong? I want to enter into this folder only, ma. I want to enter into this folder or else copy this path. Copy this path. What I am going to do? There control C, right click, paste it. Right click, paste it. Why? I didn't use CD, right? That is the problem. I didn't use CD. Generally, with CMD we can enter anyway, no problem. CD space start. What is the system cannot find the path specified. Again, what was the problem? Anyone can guide me?
See, see drive two times checks are removing.
Where I given CD two times.
Starting though.
Yeah, CD required, right? Without CD, how can I enter? Hello.
C లోనే ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నారు కదా మళ్ళీ సి పాత్ ఇచ్చారు సార్.
Yeah, yeah, it is required. It is required. That is good only. Any other thing? The system cannot find. It is telling path is not correct. Now you tell me which is the right way. At least
చివరిలో ఆ ఫైల్
you are telling remove C colon slash C colon only. You are expecting yes or no. I may give that one at least. You are thinking like a Linux environment. Maybe you are telling up to this. What it is telling me? System not even according to my view. What is the right procedure? Because it is not downloaded. Please observe. I am getting from where ma this one. This is the file. I didn't properly only I opened here. Got it or not? I didn't extract it. That is the problem. What I may do? That I am going to save it or maybe Windows key within the downloads already there or not, or else E drive ma, or else E drive. Now I am right son. Now Helm, where is the Helm? Within the E drive, within the E drive latest downloads, there see Helm is there. Where is that Helm? There Helm Ashika certified Terraform, not that one. See Helm master class main, right? There right click. I hope I am not wrong. There I am going to extract here. Yes, already there I think. Now somewhere Helm name is there. Check it. Helm. HEL. Now this one. Now observe. Within this, what is the Helm Dev Basics? 12th one. 12th one. Yes. Within that backup files. Within that final deployment file, there I am going to apply. There I am going to apply here CMD. Now check it what happens. My cursor is not accepting. Control A CMD. Now see proper path am I getting or not? No. Yes. Now check it DIA. Tree slash F. Tree slash F. Yes. Chart.yml is there. Deployment.yml is there. Values.yml is there. Only these three things are there. No subfolders exist. But our intention is not this one, right? Going to one step back. Now Helm basics. I hope this is the right path. Yes, this is the right. We need to enter into this one. Now there CMD. Yes, good. Now tree slash. Now this is the right procedure. Right deployment.yml nodes.txt. What are the extra things they added? We need to check it. We'll check it. Now, CD, first I may enter into one by one. There chart.yml. Any special thing is there or not? Notepad chart.yml. See, in previous, if we create maybe Madhu chart, once I got created DevApp chart, there's something, even comment lines are also there, right? Have you observed comment lines? That's it. We written app or API version, name, description, type, what is the chart version and app version. This is clear information. Clear information. In the same way, notepad. What is that? Values.var. See, nothing is there. Now we need to write. We need to write one by one. Within the values, nothing is there. We will go and write it. Now, what is required here? That in the same way, I may check a deployment environment. CD templates, it is the notepad deployment. See here by default, little information is there. If you see old examples, lot of information was there. Have you agree with me here? Ma, if you saw your old examples, if you see your old examples, have you seen maybe lot of content, right? Yes or no? This is only template. This is only template. Remaining are manifest. See this is the manifest file. Why I am calling manifest? Why I am calling manifest up from here to here? Is there any changes required here? All are ready made, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
There is no modification. If there is no modification, this is what manifest map. This is template. Why template I'm telling? If it is template, that is provided within where? Double curly brace open, double curly brace close. See somewhere something getting from somewhere. And now tell me this something is getting from where? You know, release is existing object. Or agree with me? Release is existing object. Yes. Chart is an existing object. Yes. Now please tell me, this is the image name. I want to get it from somewhere else. Please respond. Where can I get it from? Double curly brace. What is that? Label only, ma? I think label only, right? That is the label name. What is the label name they took here? Assume. What is the label name they took here? NGINX. Are you agree with me? Label name. Now check it. Now check it. Double curly brace, dot values, dot values, dot. What I need to provide here? What I need to provide here? LBL name, assume. What I took here? Are you understanding or not? LBL name. LBL name. Now what I mention within the values.yml? Quick guidance. What I need to mention within values.yml? Why I need to mention in values.yml? There I am using dot values object. Are you agree with me or not? Are you understanding or not? This name belongs to release. This name belongs to chart. Even you may ask me, please give me, sir. Here also name. Are you understanding or not? Here also I am giving name. Is it possible or not? Quick guidance. Uh, am I possible to
Yes.
give? Yes. And now guide me. Anyone can guide me. Where to modify, what to modify. That is your wish. Quick guidance 3/f. Where will I modify? CD dot dot 3/f. There. Notepad values dot yml. Please observe here is the name. What is that? Name colon. What I need to tell ma? What I need to tell? What is the name here? NGINX. Or agree with me? Name colon what? NGINX. See, if I am not wrong, there I may get NGINX. How can I get it? Quick guidance. How can I get it? Helm There see template, Helm template, Helm template. What is the release name? There, I think RAM hyphen one dot. Now check it what it may happen. Now please observe. See labels app colon. There I specify template. Finally I got what ma manifest. Now anyone can guide me. This replicas I want to get two only. Anyone can get me? This replicas, I want to get two. Please guide me. Anyone? Notepad, notepad, their values dot YML. Please guide me. Replica.
Replicas.
Maybe that is your wish. Here, whatever you write, there you need to specify. Replica count. Replica count. Tell me what is the replica count? Colon 2 only, right? Yes.
Yes.
Replica, spelling mistake? Yes. Now here I given. What to write, where to write? Guide me. Where to add? CD templates, their tree slash F, their notepad, deployments. Now tell me, other than Ramya, anyone can guide me? Other than Ramya, anyone can guide me? Hello? Your voice is not getting. Someone is trying. I think Kiran, right?
Yes, sir. Replica too there. Same replica.
No, no, no.
Wherever
Something,
cursor is there.
something I need to write, right? You need to tell double curly brace beginning. Next, what I need to add? See, Kiran, there, that is the which file, Kiran? Values file, right? Dot values. This minimum knowledge we require. Within the dot values file, what is the property name? Replica. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
This knowledge we require. That's all. Nothing is there in the templating language. In templating language, there six object names. Oh, already oh, this is release related. This is chart related. At least we are working with what? Dot values. Dot values is predefined. Dot values is predefined. Dot values followed by which property? Replica count. Dot values followed by which property? Name property. Is it clear for you? Now see, Kiran, you only tell me. I don't want to give here. I want to specify here. At least tell me. I want to specify through. I want to specify container port. At least tell me anyone. Maybe I'm expecting from Kiran. Where can I add this one? There, see, I am writing here also. It's dot values dot container port. That's all. Here, where can I mention this container port? Where can I mention this container port? Within dot? Within values.yml. Got it or not? How can I mention? You need to tell. How can I mention? You will tell. Now please guide me. Not in templates. One step back. There. Notepad, values.yml. Now there I need to add. I hope any spelling mistake. Notepad. Notepad. Quick guidance. Anyone? What to add here?
Container port.
Contain. Container port. Unfortunately, if I use small p, it may work or not. Quick guidance. Their container port
Not
is 80. It is case sensitive. Case sensitive. Case sensitive means you must follow same case. Things like a girls. Boys will not consider some small things, but minute things also they will observe. Same way, container port. There we use a capital P. Here also you must write capital P. Then only it will work. You may check it quickly. It may work or not. Save it. How to get it? One step back. No need. No need. Helm. What I said? EMPLT template. Helm template. Release name. Maybe ROM hyphen 2 dot. See, now getting 80 only. Now getting Nginx only. Now getting somewhere I change, right? Replicas 2. Is it clear for you? Now I don't want to use values.yml. I want to use maybe ramya.yml. See, there I need to go for tree/f. There check it. I mean there copy copy values.yml to ramya.yml or YAML. Within that, I want to do little modification. Notepad, notepad, ramya.ym. Only values modify. In place of nginx, I want to use docker hands on slash java hyphen web hyphen app. That's all. I am not mentioning tag version assume. How many replicas I want? 3 I want. What is the container port? Karen, please guide me. Generally, what is the container port for Java web app? After 1.5 month observation, at least, are you giving right answer or not? I'm checking, I'm expecting.
8080.
Very good. At least 8080. Good. Now we may get this template. We may get this by using this values.yml, by using ramya.yml. I want to run the Helm object. How to execute this? Quick guidance, anyone? Helm, up to this clear. What is that? PM PLAT template. After that, maybe ROM hyphen 3. Now guide me. Dot. After this, something is required. What it is needed. We need to provide something. Last class only we discussed it. Last class only we discussed it. Can I give the clue or no? No need. Overriding values.yml with the help of hyphen f or hyphen values. Karen Garu, is it clear for you? By using,
Yeah.
yeah, which one shall I use? Guide me. Either hyphen f or maybe the hyphen values. Your wish. Any one only I can use. I may not use both. Even Shivashankar asked me, sir, in place of hyphen values, can I use hyphen v? In that class, we applied also. It didn't work. Now tell me, which one shall I use? Either f or maybe or hyphen values.
Hyphen values.
Yeah, hyphen values. After hyphen values, what I need to tell? Shall I give here
Yeah.
values.yml or ramya.yml? See, for values.yml is the default one. No need to give. Got it or not? Which one I need to tell? Ramya.yml. Based on this only we are getting. Is it observe? This is the right procedure. See, this is 3. Even where is my image? See, Docker hands-on Java web app. This is the wonderful thing. They developed very well. Very well. Somewhere something modifying that will reflect on our template. If you want to deploy it, I can deploy it here. I can deploy this file. I can deploy in future. This file I can deploy it. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. No, still I am not installing. Only I am getting the template. Only I am getting the template. Clear? Any missing? That thing we need to discuss. Yes, good. Their release okay we use. Their code function or action element also just we use. Code function, their pipeline, their default function, these things. They are having in their examples. They are having where they are having within this here, within this here. They are one step back, their final deployment file. In this, we may enter in this, we may enter if I am not wrong. See there, they are taking deploy. Just I am opening. There they added something. What they added, observe here. What they added in this deployment. See release dot service, code dot release dot service. Try to understand here. Try to understand. There I am taking this one at least. Okay. We may go and change. We may go and change this code. I may try to change this code. Control A, Control C. Control A, Control C. Where should I go? There within our here, within this here, where I am in, there I am in right path only. No, this is not the right one. Exit. Now I am in somewhere. Yes, this is the right path. CD templates, there notepad deployment.yml. Please observe here they took only two things. Now control A, control V. See they're templating. These are the different types of template models. Release dot service, see. Now here observe app dot kubernetes dot io dot managed by. You may get release dot service name. For that service name, what is the output you may get it? Just guess it here. What is the output you may get it for our output? Single quotation or double quotation? Just guess it. Quote means what does it mean? Just guess it, ma. Either a single quotation or double quotation. I may show you practically.
Double.
Yeah, it may provide double quotation. If you want it single quotation, what does it mean? If you want it single quotation, see, I may want it, I may expecting single quotation. Then I may give yes, ma. Yes quote. Yes quote. Yes quote represents single quote. It provides for this you may get double, for this you may get single. Now see, in the same way, that values that release name and the default. What does it mean? If you don't provide release name, it will take my release. What is the default one? My release. For that, it may provide double quotation. What is the data you have you provided lowercase data or uppercase data? Observe here. Which type of format? Uppercase or lowercase? Uppercase.
Uppercase.
But final output is
Lower.
lower. Why lowercase? We applied a function. Priority goes to function. Even though your content is upper, but my function will convert upper to lowercase. See, here is the special thing leading white spaces. Leading white spaces. Am I eliminating leading white spaces? Yes. Leading white spaces means I want to tell you something. Windows key are their notepad. Please observe. There I am writing welcome. Here, see, there I am writing welcome. See, all these are leading white spaces, leading white spaces. In the output, assume I may get same spaces. I don't want to get these spaces. I want to eliminate these spaces. Karan garu, which is mandate here? I want to eliminate leading white spaces. If you specify hyphen, what it will do? It is eliminating all the white spaces. Is it good only, right? Yes. Even this one also I don't want. Now sometimes Here some spaces may be there. Some space. I may given manually some spaces, right? Here no one knows. Maybe space is there or not. But spaces are there or not. My cursor is moving, right? These are all spaces. If you don't want all these spaces, you need to give, see, try to understand. Double curly brace, double curly brace. This is our content. Maybe welcome, assume. Welcome, welcome. If you specify before hyphen, leading will eliminate. If you specify after, trailing will eliminate. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? This is the thing. This is the thing. See, there they took here spaces. These spaces I don't want. This hyphen represents chart name. Chart name something Kalyan. After printing chart name, how many spaces are there here? Observe. I may tell you how many spaces. There, one, two, three, four spaces are there. These four will print. Why? It eliminates only leading. Here, observe. Here, leading spaces as it is, I may print how many leading spaces? One, two, three. But what it eliminates? One, two, three, four eliminates. Why these four will eliminate? What I said. This is the trailing. Trailing means after it is giving hyphen means it eliminates this one. Before means beginning it cannot. Here see, before will eliminate, after will eliminate. Before will eliminate, after will eliminate. Now see, indent function. See, indent test after printing chart name. See, here our feeling is printing chart name, eliminating what? Leading white spaces and indentation. How many spaces you want to indent? Observe here. How many spaces? Four spaces. Four spaces. See what does it mean here? N indent. After printing this, control is moving to next line. Control is moving to next line. Got it or not? See indent 1. In the next line, control is move and take one space and take one space and remove leading white spaces and remove trailing white spaces. Now see default function replicas. This is very very important. If I didn't specify values that replica count, suppose I specified 0. What is the default value ma? 2 only. If I specify 5, how much it will take? 5 only it will take. If you don't specify this property, system will consider 2 only. If you specify this property with some value, you may ask me, sir, can I specify replica count with 0? Even though if you specify 0, it will take 2 only. Other than maybe 1 if you specify, it will consider 1. 10 if you specify, it will consider 10 only. Now, remaining things are very common. See, one more thing, the last one. 2ml dot values dot resources dot values dot. This is the name. Wherever the word resources are there, it will take it and consider how many spaces after 10 spaces. What does it mean? We can consider like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then only it will print our message. After how many spaces it will print that block? After 10 spaces it will print
10.
10 spaces. Quickly we may go and apply. Quickly we may go and apply. If you want to apply this, we need values.yml also. We need values. I may get it values.yml also in this documentation. Values.yml also. See, they written something. Observe this somewhere I have shown, right? Wherever resources is there, this resource information will print after how many spaces? Quick response according to our scenario 10 spaces. Which indentation we use? Indent or n indent? N indent. N indent means cursor is moving to next line and print the message. Cursor is moving to next line. See, release name. Did I specify any release name here? Please observe. If you don't specify release name, which name it will take? My release name is the default name. My release name, something we specified, right? There we specified something. If you give it my app 100, it may consider that one only. Got it or not? See, replica count. If you don't specify replica count, what it will take? There are two only, right? We specify two or not. Quick response, two only. We may take this, we may try to modify. Control C, there we may go to our, there I hope here. Now cd dot dot, cd dot dot, now notepad, values dot value. Now control A, control B. First we may consider this, based on that we'll modify. Now save it. How to run this? Helm, quick response, template, there RAM, ROM, maybe 4, there just you need to give dot, that's all. There check it by default replica count how much? 2 only, right? 2 only. This block observe, this block this block, total block we got it with the help of n indent, with the help of n indent. Is it clear for you? What is the default function? Something they took. Here see my observation. There I didn't specify hyphen before. That's why taking spaces. Here somewhere I didn't specify trailing. That's why I got it. Now see observe somewhere. I think here, right? Let's see. This is what I am getting, trailing spaces. This is what I am getting, leading spaces. I eliminated leading as well as trailing spaces. See, this is the Helm Basics space Kalyan. Here Helm Basics before no space, after Helm Basics no space. I hope are understanding or not. If any doubt anybody having, please try to ask me. I know very well, that's why I'm talking very quickly. If you are not understanding, sir, I didn't identify in the sense. See there, you didn't use hyphen, that's why getting spaces. Getting spaces. Here you didn't use hyphen, that's why it is getting spaces. Here I used before hyphen, after hyphen. That's why eliminating this leading, this trailing. Got it or not? See, somewhere we got the output with lowercase. Somewhere we use the word lowercase, right? Where I use the word lowercase. See, my release. See, this is, I think, my release. I hope I got double quotation, right? See, my release with the double quotation. Somewhere I used S quote. Are you agree with me? Anyone? Quick response. Did I use S quote or not? What is S quote? Single quotation. Single quotation. Single quotations. I hope everything is fine. Now I want replicas. Maybe I may give replicas 0. What happens? We may check it. Really, something may happen or not. Now what to do? What to do? Their notepad, values.yml. Now I'm going to give replica count. Observe replica count 0 Replica count 0. Escape, not escape here. Just close it and save it. Try to apply same thing. Where is that? Where is that? Where is my command? What is that? Helm template rom maybe 5 dot.
5.
Any problem? Did I miss anything? Helm correct only. Template correct only. I mean correct final deployment file only, right? Is it right procedure or not? No subdirect. I think this is not the right one. I hope this is not the right one. Is it? No, this is also not. Any other? I mean DA, tree slash here. I mean right procedure only, right? Chart dot deployment. This is not the right procedure, ma. This is not the proper document. Exit. I hope this is the right one. Got it? Up arrow. Now error. Now check it here. Again replicas, how much it is getting? I said right. Even though you specify 0, what I said, default one only am I getting or not? Suppose if I specify there where I need to specify there here only. Okay,
Wrong
notepad.
item.
No, no, notepad values, notepad values.yml. Now there I need to specify here, remove it and specify 0 first. Again, you need to because of practical, if you see, then only you get. Now 0 I mentioned, there dot. Even though I specified 0, how many replicas am I getting? 2. Now I need to change 1. Now I need to change 1. I need to, what is the value I may get it? Quick guidance. What is the values? What is the value I may get it? 1 only. 1
One
only.
is one.
1 only. Now, no, no, no. First I need to run, right? Up arrow, not this one, not this one. Helm template. Now check it. Am I getting 1 or not? Yes. Now I don't want this release name. I don't want somewhere my release. Somewhere, where is my release? Where is the word my release? The default one we took, right? Where is that name? I think, I hope here check it. Dot values dot yml. This release name. My, this release name. Their system is taking something, right? I don't want this. I don't want this. I want to give my release name. How to give? There just I am taking here. My release name is DevApps. I am giving release name is DevApps. Maybe Dev OPS. Save it and try to implement it. You may see here where we are getting DevApps. Where we are getting DevApps. See, somewhere the word DevApps is visible for you. Somewhere the word DevApps. Where is the word DevApps? Quick observation. See, here is, am I
Here.
getting or not?
Yes.
Actually, we given in uppercase. Why we got in lowercase, Kiran? Why we got in lowercase? There we use the function lower,
N in
lower function. We use lower function. LOW. See, lower only is there. Check it in my values. In my deployment. In my deployment. Where is the deployment? There CD. There CD templates. There notepad. Deployment DEPLO. Any spelling mistake? Helm basics. CD template. Now notepad deployment.py. Now check it. There somewhere I use. See which one I used. There my release. Something we get it. That which function I used. Lower. Now I am
Lower.
using upper. Close it and save it. Try to execute. One step back. First one step back is the common sense. Now up arrow, up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. Enter it. Now check it. Am I getting uppercase or not? Check it. Good. Now try to understand up to this. Remaining one or two functions we may miss it or we may not miss it. Slowly we can understand those things also. Maybe indent and indent. We can see. But in interview regular question, what is the difference between indent? In the same line you want to display with the spaces is indent. Control wants to move to next line. That's why N means next line. In the next line or new line indentation is nothing but N indent. Very easy to remember, right? N indent means next line or new line indentation. Indent means the same line number of spaces we need to specify. This is the indentation. See from here to here how many spaces are there? This one you are representing indent. See this one after this line you need to control will move to here like this. This is N indent. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll see. I hope tomorrow morning 7 to 8 new batch will start. Don't miss it. First 3 days only Markonda sir will take. Remaining I may start. I may start get my way. You may understand clearly. Okay. Maybe Maybe if you are interested after 7 to 8, maybe 7 to 8 new batch will start, right? Maybe 8:15 I may start, I may end at 9, I may end at 9 if really interested. Or else maybe we may go with the morning fresh batch only. Evening we may go with our Helm related stuff. Okay, thank you anyway. Again, once again, tomorrow I may discuss with you. Based on that, we'll continue. If any doubt, ask me, or else I may wind the session. If no doubt, we are winding. If any doubt, try to interrupt me. Here, fresh batch, don't miss it because of many. What about many options? I may go with only based on the real time basis. I may explain each and every command, but some scenarios I may explain here. That is the technical word. I may go with use cases. Use cases are very very important. Maybe one or two people observing me that I'm giving maybe for 2% support, but they're according to their company stuff. I'm giving step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Why? I may talk to our people. These are the technical standard. Maybe whoever must follow those standards only. That's why if once we implement it, we can give that stuff. They are accepting automatically. Why they are accepting? That I'm going with proper rules and regulations. I'm not doing my own stuff. I'm doing specific use case. Okay. Thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow.